بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
أتى فحميدا.
ما شاء الله. برافو عليزا، ما شاء الله. الله سيد.
را فترى كسركي بسبا
Yes.
راكبة.
Very good. ما شاء الله.
لإيلاف قريش.
These are samples of how our students read the Quran fluently. Learning how to read Arabic is essential for every Muslim to be able to read Quran. Now, with Ijaazah's Arabic reading course, you will learn the basics of Arabic letters and phonetics, which will help you to read the Quran easily from the Mus'haf without mistakes, inshallah. In this course, we follow great methods of teaching like Noor al-Bayan and القاعدة النورانية. These methods are designed to assist non-native Muslims in perfecting their Arabic pronunciation before beginning to read the Quran, then help them step by step to read the Quran in a perfect way. By the end of this course, you will be learned the Arabic alphabet, Arabic vowels and phonetics, the basics of tajweed rules, how to read the Quran accurately. Arabic reading course القاعدة النورانية and Noor al-Bayan is suitable for men and women as well as for all ages. Register now and start your learning journey.
Ijaazah.com, where no true desire to learn the Quran is left behind.